You guys, there's so much of these. Look on the bottom how many move triggers there are.
Yeah,
I died.
Like the first few, like the beginning of the level, there's already like 300 different.
I think I need help. This thing keeps turning me upside down. I can't jump over it. Okay, you know what? Yeah. That's better.
Why do you have it so stretched out?
Alright. Watch all these triggers on the bottom. There's so many of them. What? I got stuck! I'm stuck!
Oh, yeah, you did get stuck. Oh well.
Can I zoom in? Like, come on! My gosh!
What are you on top of?
I don't know.
Come on now.
I got this.
Oh my gosh, you know what you should do? You should just change like all the colors around.
Just be quiet, be quiet. God, how many move triggers there are.
My goodness.
You see the tornado right there? Look at all these move triggers. Dang.
Those triggers. So you're at the end of the level, and it just, man, the level finished like right after the drop started.
Okay.
Now change all the colors around.
Oh,
Shoot!
look at all these lines.
This is crazy.
What the heck?
Wait. How does that work?
I have no idea.
What does this reach?
Josh, change colors around. Looks so cool.
I like to delete all the
Triggers and stuff.
Huh? Oh my gosh, delete all the triggers. Just edit each trigger and then just delete all. And then just wait until you've deleted all the, like, edit that move trigger and then you could delete all the move triggers.
Why is that there?
Hold on. Wait.
Green.
Click the blue one. No, the blue thing. No, the blue arrow. Yeah, now you can select all of them. So that now there's no move triggers, no pulse triggers, no color triggers, some toggle triggers, and all the background triggers, line triggers, all back triggers. Oh man, it's gonna look so weird after this.
My goodness, what do I do? Wait, I got this. Wait.
Just change around all the colors. Hey, you could make it a happy level. You'll be so happy and everyone's gonna be like, yippee. No, there's more than that's like all the different colors of all the objects in the level. What in the world?
Fixed it.
It's pink. Look at how happy it is.
I'm upside down right now.
Oh, why are you going so fast?
Times 4 speed.
Shut it! Times 4 speed.
Yeah, so I
Gosh,
can
get
get
back.
Look at all this.
Wait.
How do I? Wait, and there's one more thing that I need to screw up real fast. So
The
then,
colors of all the objects.
wait.
Damn, my first try I got it. Why? No.
Move.
Dang it.
That's not what I meant.
What'd you do?
Okay, that could save me quite a bit. I deleted a lot of one object, but whatever.
You deleted all the things that.
I got this. Yeah. Wait. Oh, look, it does work.
You
No,
see?
that's just because you're getting like teleported up because it's not working. But if it wasn't at ignore damage, then you would die.
I went through it. The skills.
It's happy face. So why is it still not?
Oh, I'm doing it.
Congratulations.
Ah!
Wait, what are those?
Okay, now what?
Um,
I'm falling forever.
but you gotta change out the colors of the objects. No, like, go to more.
There, change it to
Okay,
purple.
then- no, click the more thing.
Look, it's purple now.
Oh, I'm dead already.
Josh, just
No.
don't know what I mean. Just don't click the more thing. Yeah, and then that's all the colors.
I don't care. Why?
You can change like.
Why does it use 41 colors? They look the same.
Hey, you got a point. There's a lot of different colors that are just.
Why have I been recording for 7 minutes already? Come on. Wait, I'm just gonna go like this and I don't get messed up. It looks so much different.
No.
You go like through here and
Doesn't even look
stuff.
like the same level.
I mean, it's just like this big thing right here. All the things that move around and stuff. There is that at right there. There.
Moving everything around. Don't mind me.
Yeah, look at all these things that would move and stuff. You can go down. Wait, did you not make these invisible? Oh wait. Okay, whatever. Down
Still be
there.
changing the colors of all the things.
Oh shoot, this actually looks kind of like a face right here.
Oh, geez, it does.
Delete all.
Why did you just delete all of?
I don't know. There you go.
It looks so just. Delete all the spikes and razors and everything that could possibly hurt you. Not portals.
Yeah, so I just deleted all the
So many
spikes.
X's.
Delete all of those so they also don't
Oh,
do anything.
fixing Black Blizzard. Saw Bloodbath. A Bloodbath level 1 level, but all they did was just delete all the spikes in the level.
Oh, come on. See more of these? Get out of my way.
It's gonna be
So I deleted all of these. Move. Okay. I'm gonna win this now. Come on, let's go. What the? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Wait,
That's why I can't do it like that.
There's different
Wait.
types of spikes.
wait. I got this.
Fixing Black Blizzard.
Hold on, I got an idea. Just place down all the different types of spikes and then just delete all of them.
And we don't need these.
And I don't need them.
It's ruining it.
I don't care. This is how I like it. That's how I'm
Just
gonna
taking
play.
everything cool about Black Blizzard and then just
Look at
taking
this. This is like Flappy Bird now. Oh,
you know,
wait,
family
what?
friendly.
Wait, gotta fix something. Mini. There we go. That should be good now.
Just like the black blue
Okay.
10 times better.
Oh, look how much better this is.
Fixed it. Hashtag fixed.
I wish this
Should be like
was...
a new series on your channel, just fixing horrible levels.
Wait, you think this is... Oh. We got something else that's screwing us up now.
It's not actually
Where's
horrible.
10% at? I'm
Just
gonna...
joking.
Ah, there we go.
Did say that you should place it on every type of spike and then delete it.
Oh, I didn't know what you were meaning at that time.
I'm a very hard person to understand.
Ah,
Yeah,
come
see,
on.
in that you have to be a mini, and you don't just hold. You gotta wait just like a little bit.
Okay, wait. I got this. Let's see. Psh. Psh.
What did you just do?
Okay, I fixed it. Let me just...
Hashtag fixed.
Yeah, I only have like 4 minutes left of this video. So I have to...
Why,
Oh,
how long have you been recording?
like 11 minutes.
So, don't have the 15-minute limit anymore, cause
Are you serious? Did I just jump off it or what?
no,
What happened?
accidentally jumped twice.
Looks so much better, doesn't it?
Yeah, it fit.
Oh no!
Pretty fixed, but not fit.
Okay, I'm gonna have to like a little bit. Don't mind me.
Dude, that is actually, that would actually make for a really good series. Why delete those? What are you doing?
I need to later.
They just put another ship.
Wait.
Put another ship portal. Like where's the?
Oh, I forgot about that glitch.
What glitch?
I wasn't thinking about that. Like,
What
wait,
glitch?
you could put 2 portals and you just go up and stuff.
That's not a glitch.
Yeah, nice.
But like putting a portal, then you'll get there, and then putting a portal up there, and then it'll like move the amount of space you could be in.
I almost died.
I don't know.
Ah.
Alright, bye.
Ah, find me. What?
Whoops.
Oh my goodness! Come on, move out of the way. Fine.
Just like deleting everything that could possibly hurt you. Oh man, it's not interesting. That's just trying to make it so that it's super easy, but it's not even like a level 1. Look at it.
It looks good.
Remember what blue used to look like?
No. This is way better.
Got Blizzard level 1.
Yeah. Oh, look, I finally got past that part. Ooh. What?
The end. I think you could actually probably slip through there if you jump.
It's actually
Like teleport portal. Well, no, like
I got this.
so just like make yourself a spider.
Yeah. This is getting close to 15 minutes.
So this thing's gonna kill you.
Oh, this is annoying. Oh, come on, that kills me. I didn't know that kills me.
You call it like bland blizzard.
Why?
It's bland blizzard.
That's a blue and green blizzard.
Live stream verifying bland blizzard. Wouldn't that be a splendid live stream? Verifying bland blizzard.
Okay, this is annoying.
Your latest level, bland blizzard.
Isaac, stop. Not yet, wait.
Why not?
As I said so.
wasn't worth it. Like, seriously, why not?
Die on those things, what? Come on!
Come on, Josh, just do it already. It's getting boring for the viewers.
How'd I get up there that one time?
They tapped at the last second of being on there.
Yes, the
Yeah,
wave.
the wave. Do a mini wave at times 4 speed.
Oh, that didn't work.
Oh yeah, because you need to edit the start position and make it a wave. Even that one.
Where is it?
Doesn't show.
Ooh, I think I saw the tornado. Wait, you... Wait, I got this. I don't think I could pass it part.
What do you mean?
Oh,
Like a spider.
here's the big tornado.
Fuck.
Tornado, boy.
Fuck. No, don't delete the tornado. Seriously, don't delete the tornado. Tornado's cool. It's my best friend. Never had a friend as that tornado. So high. Oh look, it's the sun.
What else do I need to delete?
Just taking out every single element of Black Blizzard. And Blizzard, yeah.
Sort of rainbowed pieces. Mine. Move out of my way. Alright, these things are annoying and I don't even know what they are. Okay, I made it good again. Why is there those things still there? Okay, good, I don't have time that part.
Seriously, look at this!
Oh, Black Blizzard.
This thing's just gone.
Yeah, come on, tornado, bring it
Black
on.
Blizzard is bland blue.
Oh, look, a tornado, Black
Whoa.
Blizzard.
What?
Test mode. Oh, yeah, that's the nice.
What's going on?
Yeah, I don't know why that's wrong with my waves. It does that. And
Oh no! Oh no!
Let's do it in the start position and try to actually do it.
wait,
Delete all this. We should just delete. Tornado. Oh, no.
Move!
You
And
just gotta delete all the stir positions or else you won't verify it. Bland Blizzard.
Okay.
Verified and uploaded.
yeah, delete all star positions and then save and play. Oh, look how good it is.
You know, you don't have to fix the bland.
Okay, you know what? And one more thing I need.
I'm gonna make it a Bland Blizzard because it's just. You can't even tell that it's Black Blizzard. Like, seriously. You literally cannot tell that this is Black Blizzard at all.
Dang it! Why do those
Stay at the
kill
bottom.
me? No, I'm gonna die if I stay at the bottom.
Stay
You
at the
see?
top.
You see? Like
Verify
already
Bland
10% done.
Skippy.
Look at all those things that could still kill you.
This used to be Black Blizzard.
You guys haven't signed
Oh, I thought I got this.
You guys haven't signed up? Hey! It's not 2 o'clock yet.
What time is it?
It's not 2 o'clock. So
I never said it was. I just asked what time it is.
okay.
Oh my gosh. What are you doing to it?
Okay, not that. Just those little
yeah.
dots there.
Just dots.
Can't die for those dots anymore.
Oh, it's just sad.
At least we have a tornado still here.
Literally deleted.
So, where's the tornado? It just disappeared.
You've like literally deleted 99% of Black Blizzard.
It's fine.
And then the other 1% you've just changed.
Why is there this line that comes when like you hit the bottom sometimes or top?
What do you mean?
Like somebody shoots at you. Yeah, right there. I beat Black Blizzard.
You'll be bland.
Out.
It's still got over 3,000 objects.
How did this have over 3,000 objects? Like, seriously, where are all the objects? I don't see 3,000 objects.
Oh, there we go.
I feel like 200 objects.
Ah, here it is. Found it all.
A lot of objects.
That is falling quickly.
Yeah, wait, I've been on the top. It's deleting everything. Literally just deleting everything. Why? What are you doing? Literally just deleting. Yeah, I gotta make my own Bland Blizzard. Before this was Bland Blizzard, but now it's just not.
I can't
Did
delete
the
it.
blue one.
Ah, there we go. Yep, here it is.
Oh.
Dang, there's so many objects in here.
Where's your lunchbox, Daniel? I said I want you having a look there.
Yep, here they
What are
are.
you doing?
There they are.
Daniel?
Don't use them.
Daniel,
My birds.
go get your lunchbox. Because I don't want you to be like, I can't find it.
Okay. Now let's see. How is it still 1,155 objects? What? How is there still that many objects? There's no. Suck. Okay.
Never mind, I'm not gonna say it.
I can see what.
Something. Let me see. Why did you even put that in?
How did I put that in?
No.
How did I put what in?
There's invisible objects.
Wait, didn't you delete all that? But you could make it so that colors will make it invisible. Gosh, you gotta go to the colors and then make sure that none of the colors make things invisible. Yeah, that's how it's done. Just
Wait, what? I don't get that.
put a bunch of objects at the top so that so that it seems blind. You can put tons of family as
Fine.
Why would it be? Yeah, and
life hack. Life hack. Life hack. Give people the poke of life with your life hack. Born, poke it with the life tack.
no one shall survive
Is that a
now.
way to just select everything?
Mine, where are they now? No, don't go there. Come on, please don't have that many more objects. Yes, this is 400 objects.
Yes.
I'm doing so
Good.
Oh, wait. I saw something. Ew.
Fix it. Checking. Nothing. Nothing.
Nothing. Okay, I don't understand where everything is now.
Invisible object.
Oh, how do I make everything uninvisible?
Check more.
Where's more?
They're right there. And then all the ones with the circles, I think that, that's because they alright, maybe not. I don't know, just make sure that all the colors show opacity 100. Check all the colors. I think blending actually. Oh yeah, other ones with numbers. Yeah, like that 0.66, that means that brings down the opacity. So make sure that none of them have, make sure that they all have full opacity.
Oh shoot, one had 0.
Yeah.
Where are you now?
Oh yep, here's some.
See?
Dude, I just went in and found stuff that you didn't even know that was there.
Man, it's just kind of weird. Just went into Black, just made a copy of Black Blizzard and then literally deleted everything. You're just deleting everything. Why?
Makes a good video.
Destroying Black Blizzard.
Less than 100 objects now.
Oh, the question is now, where are they? Okay. Is there any other one? Wait. Ah! Found secrets.
But they'll have full. Josh, blending doesn't do anything.
Then why did he add it in?
I don't know. I mean, blending doesn't change the opacity. I don't know what blending does, but I don't think that it makes it invisible.
Man, so how do I find the rest of the objects now?
Who knows? You ask them nicely to show them things.
Everyone is.
Okay, the start is going well so far.
Why?
Oh,
There you go. That's only 95 objects now. It's been 30 minutes I've been working
Oh my
on this
gosh.
now. 30-minute video.
Took you a half an hour.
This could be my longest
Destroy
video.
everything.
This is either my longest video or my second longest
What do
video.
you play?